Welcome to Section 2 of Module 4. Once the blending is winding down, start pulling guests aside one by one to close them out. Stay close to the action so you can still see and hear what's going on and create a welcome atmosphere. Remember to take a quick picture with the Blend Bash sign with all of the guests and their blending bags for a fun post in your social media outlets. Encourage the host to post it on her page too so her friends can see the fun everyone had. As we talked about in the previous module, your one-on-one time with guests is the most crucial part of the party. This is where everything comes together and you begin building that relationship with these guests so they are motivated to do business with you again. This gives you a chance to review their order to ensure that they are getting the best mix of products to give them a great fragrance experience. You're finding out if they'd like to repeat this fun evening with their friends. And lastly, finding out if they would like to learn more about what you do. I'm going to challenge you to never ask the question, will you host a party for me? This is not about you at all. This is about providing an opportunity for them to have a fun evening with friends and to enjoy the rich rewards of hosting a party with you. Consider it a gift to them when they decide to host. This is your time to ask business building questions. Start out with a good conversation starter like, do you work outside the home? This question helps you to immediately find out a little bit more about your guest. No matter if they say yes or no, you have another leading question to follow like, what do you do? Or how many kids do you have? It leads perfectly then into, do you like your job? Or do you ever just need some me time? It's a quick conversation to aid you in learning so much about your guest in a matter of less than a minute. Now I can begin offering product suggestions, starting with, were you able to get everything you wanted tonight? Can I make a few suggestions? It leads nicely into, how would you feel about hosting your own Blend Bash to get some of those items for free? And then, is there anything about this business that intrigues you? Do you mind if I share some information with you? If they book a party, you might wait on the question about joining until you start host coaching. You're going to continue building that relationship and seeing if Pink Zebra is a good fit for them during the party planning time. You've now talked to each guest, having learned more about them and booked future business. You've possibly booked 2 parties and given business information to at least one person. A great party when those things happen. Lastly, ask guests about being added to your business or VIP Facebook pages. You can let them know you share recipes and product ideas plus some interesting and fun things on your business page. But your VIP page is for those customers that can see themselves wanting to know about sales and promotions and learn more about the products. That's where you post sales first, product discontinuations first, new catalog and new products first, and generally help them to get to know you and Pink Zebra better. This brings Section 2 to a close.